everyone and welcome back, and if you're new here, hi, welcome, join the enthusiasm, subscribe. First of all, I am loving my hair today because after so many days it's on point, and plus the makeup turned out really beautiful, so basically I'm very happy today. So I decided that I will do a fall look, but then I thought that it will be very boring, like just a neutral kind of a look. So then I decided that everyone is doing Maddie inspired euphoria look, so that is what I did. I added some face crystals to your very basic normal fall kind of look. So that is what we are going to do today. We are going to add some crystals and make it popping. I don't want to make the intro very long, so yes, this video is all about a fall look with some crystals. So yes, now without any further chatting, let's snap right into the tutorial. Lip balm is not here, so obviously I am going to use a lip gloss, and for that I'm taking this Nykaa lip gloss in 01 Honey Boo, and this is very nude, beautiful kind of gloss. But the thing is that once you blend it out, it's not very pigmented. So that's why I like it. I like clear gloss more than pigmented gloss. For primer, I'm going to use 3 primers today. I know that's a little bit insane, but yeah. Because I believe that if the base is good, everything's gonna look good. So first of all, I'm just taking this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water on my sponge, and I'm just dabbing it on my face, on my neck. And till now, if you have not spotted out the elephant in the room, I have like a bad pimple, you guys, which is like when I do this, it hurts. So, but thank God it's not somewhere here or here. I can just hide that very easily. I am just going to apply this where I want some highlight. So this is the Maybelline Strobing Cream by Face Studio, and I'm just taking a little bit. I actually like it. It's very affordable. Now I don't remember the price, but I remember that this was very affordable. I guess that's enough. I don't want more than that. So I'm just going to take a green corrector and just, I don't know, my face is like, it's all bumpy over here, like small bumps, and then it has got like some small bumps over here, and then a big over here, and it's like no makeup, but I'm like, why not? I guess I'm making it worse, but that's okay. Next, I'm going to conceal and cream contour. For that, like for cream contour, I am going to use the Nykaa foundation stick in 07. And for concealing, I really wanted to use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, but I'm out of this. I use this concealer daily, you guys. I used to use this daily. This is such a good concealer. I'm definitely going to repurchase that, but for now, I am just going to use anything. For now, I'm just going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. Just first, let me blend this out, then I'll apply the concealer, because then I'll have an idea of how much concealer I should apply. It really hurts when I go there. Everyone is doing stones nowadays, and I'm so damn obsessed with that. Like, it looks so good. So I have like a few face stones from Amazon, which I think I am going to use in this video. Like very little. The thing is to not use like crazy. Like, I'm just not going to apply it like it is. I'm just going to break it into pieces, and then I'll just use it according to my face shape. Now I'll just blend it and then I'll be back. So the concealer is blended, and now I'm going to use foundation. I actually love this finish. Like when I apply my contour and concealer, I just want to leave it over there, but I don't find it very even, so I need a layer to even everything out, and that layer is called foundation. I am going to mix two foundations and I want to keep it really drugstore and affordable today. So today I am going to use LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation, and this is not my summer shade. I am a little bit tan right now, so I am just going to mix my Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in the shade Golden Honey with LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation in the shade Warm Honey. Honey. So I'm just going to that was a bad joke, I know, but it was not even a joke. It's still a lot of pigment. Better cover my pimple. So next I am just going to set this face, and for that I am going to use my Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. And also my smile lines, because I cannot live without setting my smile lines, you guys. They crease so damn fast. Like there is already creasing a little bit, like it's not noticeable, but when I look up close, I don't like it. It's not very attractive, so I'm just setting it real quick. Just because I'm going to add some, face stickers, crystal stickers. I wanted to keep it very, very natural. So why is there powder on my thighs? So yes, first of all, I am just taking my foundation stick with which I contoured. So this is the one, and I am taking it on my fingers. I generally use my middle finger for this because I don't know, I find it very helpful for this. And you don't have to do anything to the eyes, like nothing. You just have to take the pigment and just be like, dab it. I already have a little bit of brown on my eyelids, but I want it to look more even, so that's why I do this. Once that is done, next you need a brown shade. Now you have to be careful about something. If you're using a cool toned contour shade, make sure you apply a cool toned eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow, or if you're using a warm one like I have done here, you have to use a warm toned eyeshadow. So for me, the one that I like the most for this thing is the Maybelline Lemonade Grace palette. I know it's very powdery, it gives a lot of kickback, but that kind of works positively in this case. I don't know why it does. First of all, I am just going to go in with the shade Sweet Tea. Believe me guys, you don't have to use any brushes. Just take it and apply it on the lid. Just on the lid. I do it on the lid. Now next I am going to take the shade Old Fashioned from the same palette, and I'm going to keep this very close to my lashes. So next I'm just going to take this shade from this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette in number 4, and I am going to take it. If you want, you can do it with fingers, you just have to apply it over here, but for more precision I use a brush. So I'm just going in the outer V, if that is what you call it. Now next I am going to do the eyeliner and my brows. For eyeliner, I'm just going to use the Nykaa Black Magic eyeliner. It's not too much because I have partially hooded eyes, so if I apply too much, it's going to converge with my crease, which I don't like. So that's how you have to do your eyeliner. You have to keep it snatched. So just because I lost my silicone brush, which is a blunder, I know, so I am just using this Morphe eyeliner brush, and I'm just doing my eyeliner on this side. So for my lower lash line, first of all, again, I'm going to take the shade Sweet Tea, and I'm just going to apply this. Next, I'm going to take the shade Old Fashioned, and I'm going to apply this too. ultimately, I am going to take that dark brown shade from this palette and I'm just packing it in the corner. You guys, this looks so damn good. Like, I'm not even kidding. I can't even see that I'm in focus or not. Now, I just want to further darken out that, outer corner because I just want the eyeliner to connect to my lower lash line. So for that, I want to use like a black color. And I'm just lightly going in that outer part, like the outermost part. So that's it, these are the eyes, and next I'm going to do my brows and I'm going to do that off camera. My brow routine honestly it has changed a little bit, so if you guys want I can do like a separate video, but still I like to keep them very full and very natural. I am just going to take the same strobing cream that I applied on my cheekbones and I am taking it on a brush. Just because I am going to use crystals, I don't want to have a very over there kind of highlight, so I want it to be very light. So I'm just taking the strobing cream and I am pressing it over here on my brow bone. So this looks very natural and I love it. So for the inner corner, I need a little bit more, just a little bit more. From the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, I am just going to take the shade Main Squeeze, which is this shade. So for contour, blush and highlight, I am going to use the Sugar Contour de Force Face palette. And I am going to use all of these three. For contouring, I'm going to use this. For blush, this. Very subtle. It's very subtle. It looks like very dark in the pan, but it's very subtle. And then for highlight, this is also a very subtle highlighter. So, I don't want it to be like bam. That pimple is not going anywhere and I know that. This brush, you guys, is so cheap and it blends the contour so flawlessly. I just love it. So next I'm just doing the blush. I don't want to do more blush than that, and next with the same brush I'm just taking the highlighter. I know some of you must be like, why am I doing everything with the same brush? Because I don't know, it looks more put together. I just love the finish if I do it with the same brush. I mean, I don't like using different brushes. So my lips are back, you guys. And yes, that was bad joke number 2. So first of all, I'm just going to take the shade Chai and let's apply this. This is too dark. Now I'm going to completely nudify this because this is too dark. For that, I'm just taking the shade 05 from the same lipstick. So I'm just going to use this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creme in number 56 and hopefully this does the thing. For the first time I light my hair, like really. But we're not done here. I'm just going to use a mascara. And for that, I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. So I think I see 10 lashes today on my lower lash line. Generally it's 4. So next I'm going to apply some false eyelashes. But before that, I think I should put on the crystals. First of all, I'm going to go below my lashes. And for that, I am going to use the pointed ones. These are so damn small, I cannot even what the fuck am I doing? Okay, so I'm just taking it on my brush. Ugh. Oh yeah, bingo. But that is so small, like I didn't expect that. So the next crystal is going on the end of my brow. I am not done, you guys. I'm obsessed. So I am just going to use two more, just two more. That's it for the video, you guys. You will find all the products that I used in this video in the description box, and yes, that's it. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more looks like this, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and if you really like this video, then please share this video. Bye.